The Rainforest Cages Peru. Ideal for smaller parrots like senegals, cakes, and smaller birds like conures and cockatiels. This cage features an open top for perching and free flying. It has a large access door to the front and secure feeder with spring-loaded door locks. It also comes with a stand and undershelf. The Rainforest Cages Peru has a high-quality moulded cage base with littered grill and pull-out tray. Extra safety features include secondary door and grill locks. The Rainforest Cages Peru, a strong, secure cage on stand, ideal for your pet birds.